Tendai, wake up. The sun is already coming out.
Let me sleep for 5 more minutes, my wife.
5 minutes? Your 5 minutes became 1 hour yesterday.
One day, Tendai, I will build you a beautiful house.
I don't need a big house. Tendai,
Yes?
we only have enough mealie meal for tonight. What are we going to eat tomorrow?
I'll find something.
You always say that.
My brother, you cannot continue like this. What do you want me to do? Go to the city. There are jobs there. And leave my wife alone. You're leaving to make her life better. Please, don't cry.
I'm just so scared.
I know, but I'm here.
Promise you'll stay?
I promise. Always.
I love you.
I love you too.
My daughter, stop waiting by the road every evening. Maybe today he will come. You love him deeply. Rudo, have you heard? Heard what? They say Tendai is living with another woman in Harare. Who told you that? People are talking. My husband wouldn't do that. Tendai, what happened?
I came to talk to you.
Are you okay?
I don't think I can live here anymore.
What do you mean?
I have found a better life.
And where does that leave me? When you had nothing, I stayed.
I know.
When people laughed at you, I defended you.
Rudo,
When you had one shirt, I washed it every night so you could wear it the next morning. And now that you have money, suddenly I'm not good enough. My son, do you remember when your father died?
I remember.
You had nothing. Who stayed beside you?
That woman stood with you when everyone else laughed at you. Don't make the mistake of thinking that someone who struggles beside you you've succeeded.
Mother, I was ashamed.
Ashamed of what? I got a good job in the city. I started making money. People treated me differently. For the first time in my life, I felt important.
And you forgot who made you feel important when you were nobody.
I was wrong. Rudo, I don't deserve your forgiveness, but I want to spend the rest of my life earning it. You loved me when I had nothing. You never asked me for expensive clothes or...
You only asked me not to give up.
Do you still remember the brunjisand? I remember. Do you like your new house?
I told you, I never needed a big house. I only needed the man I married.
Sometimes poverty doesn't destroy a marriage. Sometimes it reveals who truly loves you. The person who stands beside you when you have nothing, who believes in you when nobody else does, who shares the last food you may worth more than all the riches you will ever have. Because when money disappears, beauty changes, and life becomes difficult again, true love is the person who still chooses message.
Honey, did you eat the food I left for you?
No, my love.
Then why is the plate empty?
I was just checking if it was poison.